Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Confluence automation rules in just a few simple steps. Click the settings icon at the top right of your screen to open the administration drop-down menu. A menu panel drops down with several administration options including general configuration, user management, billing, and Confluence administration among others. Select Confluence administration from that menu, and the general configuration page loads up. You'll see the main configuration screen with a left sidebar containing various settings categories. Now click Automation in the left sidebar to open the Automation section where you can manage all your rules. The Automation page appears showing you a list of any existing automation rules you've already created along with controls to create new ones. Once the Automation page loads, click the Templates tab at the top to see all the available pre-built automation options. The Templates view displays a gallery of ready-made automation patterns covering common workflows like notifications, content publishing, and space management tasks. For this example, I'm going to select the template called Publish the same set of pages when a new space is created, which opens up the template editor showing you the trigger and actions already configured. The editor displays the full automation flow with the new space trigger at the top and the Publish pages action below it, along with any conditions or parameters that control when and how it runs. Click Save and Enable at the top right to activate this automation rule, and after a moment you'll see a green banner appear saying, "Your flow has been turned on." The banner confirms the rule is now live and monitoring for the trigger event. Click the X on the banner to dismiss it, and you're done. The automation is now active and will run whenever the trigger condition is met. You can return to the automation page anytime to edit the rule, disable it temporarily, or review its execution history. If you need to edit or turn off a rule later, just head back to the automation section from Confluence Administration and you'll find all your active rules listed there. You can also create rules from scratch instead of using templates by clicking the Create Rule button on the main automation page, which gives you full control over triggers and actions. Templates are a great starting point if you're new to automation, because they handle common workflows like publishing pages or notifying teams. And that's how to set up automation rules in Confluence. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.